If you're looking for the best travel booster seat, the best booster seat for carpool, taxis, and car rentals, or a booster seat perfect for fitting 3 across in the car, I'm so glad you found my Mifold booster seat review. This is the Mifold Grab-and-Go booster seat, more specifically the new Mifold Comfort, which we love. 10 times smaller than a traditional booster seat, but just as safe. It's small enough to fit in your glove compartment or your child's backpack, and is easy enough even my 8-year-old can install it all by himself.
You did it all by yourself! You are ready for carpool next year, dude.
Let's go.
You're ready for other moms to pick you up after school and take you to soccer and karate and all kinds of stuff. What do you think? Woo woo! Okay, so let's see here, guys. This is what it is, basically. It's a thin, cushiony seat. This brings the seatbelt down to the safe place on the collar between the shoulder and the neck. 1 and 2 points to keep it on their hips, and then it buckles in. Okay, now show us how you get out of it and leave it in the car so you can get in and out of the car. Just unbuckle and then slide it out of one side, and then it stays in the car. Easy peasy. Let's go. And then if you're just going in and out of the car, we leave it just like this. And then they just kind of scooch it to the center and then slide it in here and buckle it. So easy! Ah, good job! It just takes up no space in the car. It's so nice and compact here and in your bag, whatever. And then on the strap, for people who don't know how to use it yet, it does take some getting used to, but the instructions are all right here on the strap, so you can know what to do and what not to do really easy.
It's designed for children at least 4 years old, between 40 and 100 pounds, and between 40 and 59 inches tall. Available in purple, blue, or gray, and you can win one in my $500 value jackpot giveaway on the blog now. Link in video description.